China is running to be re-elected back on the United Nations Human Rights Council. With over 120 self-immolations inside Tibet and with its disgusting human rights abuses in Tibet, China does not deserve to sit on the Human Rights Council. On November 12th, on Tuesday, China and its officials, the Chinese officials, are going to be here at the UN headquarters in New York, lobbying other member states to stack up its vote in favor of getting back on the United Nations. And we're also going to be there. We're working hard. We're putting up a tough fight to make sure that China's atrocities in Tibet, China's human rights abuses in Tibet, are a major obstacle to its success in getting back on the Human Rights Council. We have teamed up with Avaz, the largest online advocacy organization, to gather over 1 million signatures. 1 million people who stand with Tibet, 1 million people who did not forget Tibet, and 1 million people who are urging our UN members to stand for Tibet and stand up with Tibet and not forget the Tibetan people. We know China does not deserve to be on the Human Rights Council, and we are urging our UN members to remember that and keep China off the council. So I urge you to please support our efforts to hold China accountable for its atrocities in Tibet. Help us reach over 1 million signatures on the Avaz petition. Secondly, help us deliver that 1 million petition signatures to our governments around the world on Monday. And lastly, join the rally on Tuesday, November 12th at the UN headquarters in New York, across at the Ralph Bunche Park starting at 8 a.m. We need to send a message to China that the world stands with the Tibetan people, that the world did not forget the Tibetan people, and the world believes that China does not deserve to be on the Human Rights Council.